Welcome, friends. So glad you could join me. Today I'm going to be decorating. Angle just go straight up. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and bring it around to the other side, and then we'll need to have it secured in place. And I'll just use a staple to secure it. And then we're going to go get our scissors after we've stapled it, and we're going to go ahead and just trim it off. And so that takes care of the broad ribbon. So then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in the little pinstripe, is what I like to call it. But let's take a look first and see how it's looking. So this is a good time just to inspect it, make sure that it looks, as close as possible to what you want, so that we can move on to the next step. So that's looking good to me there. So now we're going to go ahead and get our curling ribbon and our tape. And what you want to do is to make sure that you're looking at the distance, and then you're going to put it right in the middle. Just as how you started at the bottom with the broader ribbon, you're going to start the curling ribbon in the same area, but just make sure that it is, halfway between both broad ribbons there. And you want to make sure that you secure it properly with the tape. And once you put it on and it's dry, even if it gets a little moist outside, it will stay in place because it always does for me. So you go ahead and you follow the same angle as you have for the broader ribbon, and you just work your way around. And if you make any mistakes, you can always go back, have it straightened out, and just, have it come over again. So I'm taking it around there again, and we'll just keep repeating the process until we get to the top. So see, I'm straightening it out there just to make sure that it looks really nice. So we're almost there. And then once you've finished, you take a look and just see how it looks. And then once you have that pattern in the first one that you have done, then you're going to try to make sure that the next one that you do is as similar as possible. And you can see here I put out some plants. I have some poinsettias. And I put my wreath up. Of course, we're going to put in icicle lights once we're finished with all of that. You can add little trees that you can plug in on there. There are different things that you can do to just make it special and make it your own. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much and enjoy your holidays.